specializing in production technology. In February 2024, Raila visited and extensively toured.
여행 많이 다니세요. 그리고
제 채널도 많이 봐주셨으면 좋겠네요.
투자 세계와 현실 세계.
Wow. Amazing. Let me take you to the other side, guys, to Jamaican Grandma land. We see what is going on there. But it's been a while since we were there, so it should be just fair we visit that land to see.
Reliving his days there and recalling that when he arrived in OPPO, there were not more than 5 black students in the whole college. As a leader, Raila believed in exercise, duty, selflessness, sacrifice, collective leadership, humility, honesty, discipline, and hard work. Other than Kenya, Raila's other great love was Africa. He celebrated the continent's potential. He mourned the death of leadership on the continent and felt the pain of its people being left behind by less endowed regions of the world because of failure of leadership. Indeed, the last major political project Raila quietly embarked on days before his death was a third biography dedicated purely to Pan-Africanism and what needs to be done to take the continent forward. In October 2018, Raila was appointed as the African Union High Representative for Infrastructure Development in Africa. He moved into the position with the swiftness and certainty of fish in water. He named the continental highway network corridors, railways and airports as if they were here in Kenya. He was at ease with Africa's trade deficit figures in comparison to other parts. In politics, Raila communicated the importance of reconciliation, forgiveness, and putting country over self. He forgave his jailer forward. He emphasized that building a progressive country demanded that leaders rise above anger and the desire for revenge. He also believed strongly that the preservation of a nation requires the triumph of pragmatism over ideology. That when the nation is under extreme threat, leaders must embrace extreme compromise. He believed power was not an end, but a means to an end, and it should be used towards the desired end. He believed power should be used to ensure the existence of the nation, not the demise of the nation. He wanted power to be used to ensure progress, prosperity, and peace of any among nations, and not for any causes that would yield contrary outcomes. We will cherish Raila in the heart of our nation, and I believe in the heart of many African nations. Thank you. Long live Raila.
Hi, I'm Abdullah Karbutli, General Manager for Husky Middle East at Husky Technologies. We're excited to be back at Gulf Food Manufacturing after 1 year, from November 4th to November 6th, where we show you how Husky can shape the future of packaging. We are committed at delivering sustainability without compromise. We ensure safe, affordable.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, William Samoei Ruto, Your Excellency, the former President of Kenya, Uhuru Kenyatta, Your Excellency, Dr. Obasanjo, the former president of Nigeria, and Your Excellency, the Deputy President, Professor Kindiki, and all protocols observed, I now take this opportunity to invite my nephew Junior to come and make his eulogy and to eulogize his father, and then we'll give you the next one. I'm standing here on behalf of the larger Odinga family, but we are starting with the Raila's family for your eulogy. So, Junior, where are you? Thank you.
Ya simu gani? Tekno.
Joshua Amoso Jokanyanyam Amoso Nikwa Ramogi Untie Kamano Ingan City Boy to Wangi Weloma dignitaries. So open Onjabale, but for now, allow me to continue the rest of my speech in English. Gimodwarani Wachung, let's just take a moment of silence for our late patriots. So if you could all just stand up for one moment of silence.
Mpo peti yako.
Kogalo Amolojo Rutojo Wajumbejo Abweyo Nogik Nikech Amolo